What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to change your YouTube channel art on mobile. Now this is actually super simple. Once you're in the YouTube app, you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper right hand corner and then hit your channel about 3 options down from here. And then you're going to see an option right below your profile picture where you could edit the channel, and then it's going to take you to this screen. You could change a whole bunch of stuff, but what you're looking for is the channel art itself. If you just tap on the current channel art displayed there, you'll have this pop-up menu as shown. And you could either choose a photo that you have or take a photo, I guess, if you really want to, but choosing is going to be your best option. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you had any questions or were confused by this tutorial, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.